Page 15, Nick Nack Paddy Wack. Another very well-known melody. Then they're talking about intervals again, and you can do the intervals. I'm not interested. See, the intervals, you can go up or down, or you can go here. It doesn't matter. An interval is an interval. So whatever the interval is you simply count up from where you get the same number. You can count down, but there's a danger to that. So we'll talk about that later when we get to the danger. Nick Nack Paddy Wack is also known as This Old Man. Look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature. We're in the key of G major. Just keep it in mind. We'll do something with it later. Right now, just know that G major has 1 sharp, and it is an F sharp. So you're playing all the white keys except the Fs. The Fs are going to be F sharps instead. Here. Where in C major, they're all white keys. We'll do more with that a little later. Just right now, know 1 sharp in the key signature is the key of G major. Just memorize it. I'm going to point it out every time, but and 4/4 time signature. Both hands are playing, so let's take it one hand at a time. The right hand, you're starting here. That puts you here. You don't need any other finger number until the next line, so it's here. 3, 4. So you don't need that 5. You're there already. 4N. Now you reach down. Now you're going to move. Now, once you're here, you're going to relax because the next notes coming up are in this position. And that's how I know. So now I'm in this position. So we changed positions here. We crawled down. Left hand, let's see what it does. So it's 1 and 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, okay, and the third measures here. The second line is similar to that until you get to the third measure of the second line, the little finger comes down. Now we're not changing positions, we're just stretched out a little bit. And at the end. It's hard to do. We already did that, I think. Same thing, is transferring weight over and you put weight on these fingers. Don't hold the hand still and try and do it with the fingers. Please, no. It's a waste. Don't. Let the weight transfer over and just lowering those fingers. You're lowering the weight to those fingers. If they don't go down at the same time, then focus on the note that's late. And that usually helps to fix it. It takes a little practice because it's a little weird. You should do it in both hands. Where are we at? Let's go. It takes a little practice. Don't shy away from it because you need to learn to do it. And don't lift up. No. Connect them. Now put the hands together and here. Each hand, different fingers. Then here, these. The right hand comes down. And then here, these. Together. I went kind of fast. You take it at your speed and then go back over it 100 million times and slowly work out the hesitations and see if you can get to where you can play this without looking at the keyboard. Where in the right hand, when you have to come down here, you can feel that. One key, you can feel that. And then the left hand, when you have to do that, you can feel that. Now once I have the hesitations out, then I think about the articulation. The short staccatos here. Now connect both hands. Lift up. So that give you the phrasing, the curve. I'm telling you, at the end of the 4th measure, the 8th notes, it's a new phrase. Pick up to here. Go to here is what it is. And then you're connecting it. And then the dynamics, F-P again, because there's a repeat sign at the end of the second line. It doesn't mean every time you get a repeat sign, you're going to get F-P. But if you do have an F-P or any two dynamics, you know you're going to play it more than once because you can only do one dynamic at a time because the dynamic applies to the melody. F forte is the melody, loud. And then when you repeat it, you're going to play it soft. However, there's a note above the staff. Second time, play RH, AVA. Right hand, an octave higher. So you're going to come up here, soft. Just the right hand, not the left hand. Well, when I finish the first time then, and I go to repeat, the left hand's here, the right hand's got to go up. You might have to practice that. You got to look down at the keyboard for that, of course, for that little bit. Now, once you're there, you don't have to look at the keyboard anymore because you're there. And this left hand, stay out of the way. Just keep it out of the way. Then the speed. Well, this is on the fast side of the moderate. Well, have fun with it. It's a happy piece, I think. You don't have to go that fast. You can take it more. You take it at your speed, but no hesitations. And I haven't been speaking about it too much. But remember the natural accents: 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the natural accents. I'm exaggerating them so you can hear them, but you just feel these. In everything you play, feel the natural accents. And in 4/4 time, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's 3/4 time, it's just 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But feel them, whether I say to or not. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, the louds and softs, no. I'll do the staccatos, and we'll do the repeat. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 3, 4. And repeat. 4, 4. And 4 and